Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all? I hope you all fine, enjoying your life well. In today's video, I'm going to show very beautiful and amazing style, stunning out classy crochet work bags, designs, ideas. Hope so you like this video. Hope so you like this all the different design and different detail. Today we are excited to share with you our latest crochet project, a beautiful and functional bag to add your collection. Hope so you like this video and collection. So please do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon and then press option all to alert my daily routine videos that I have uploaded daily for you. If you want to see full detail about crochet work bags DIY tutorial, so please tell me in comment section. I will explain you full detail with step by step in my next video. So please visit my YouTube channel and watch full DIY tutorials and different previous videos and make this all the bags easily. If you want to see full DIY tutorials, so please visit my YouTube channel and watch my more different design and detailed videos easily. Keep watching my more different ideas till and keep praying for me. May Allah will live long, stay happy and stay blessed for me. These stunning bags is made using yarn and hooks. It's a great project for those who want to practice their stitches while creating something functional and stylish. We will be using this stitch to create a beautiful texture and the color to give it a modern look. Don't worry if you are new to crochet. We will guide the thought each steps. Hope so you like this different collection and different tips and tricks. So you use a beautiful yarn and different sizes crochet hook and make these all the project easily. Let's get started. First we will create a foundation chain. Then we will work on the body of the bag. Finally we will add the straps and finishing touch. Feel free to experiment with different yarn, color and embellishment to make a bag. You can also add pockets, tassels, buttons, beads, pearl stones or other details to give it a personal touch. Hope so you like this all the tips and tricks and different detail ideas, different detail video. So please do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. Take care of your viewers. Bye bye.